Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another video. So friends, today I'm back again with a new video and new designs, new styles. So friends, today my video topic is crochet hand knitted free pattern. So here we are sharing some simple and beautiful designs of crochet that you can use in different places for different purposes as you want. You could also use it for decorating things or for your dresses or different items. So here these crochet free patterns are given to you in different sizes and different shapes, so you can get an idea from this and could make wonderful and amazing styles and designs of your own choice. By using these patterns, they are very simple and beautiful. You can see you could use it for different purposes. You could also use them as single, or you can also use it for decorating things or for your dresses or for your purse, your clothing, or anything you wanted on. So guys, they are very easy to handle and very beautiful. They are just like other decorating items. You could use different colors, different styles. You can get idea and can see the pattern of how they could be made, so you can easily make them at home by your choice of your own style. You can also use different types of decorating material for enhancing them, or you could also use them simply for your decoration or for your use or your purpose. They could be in many different shapes, in many different designs. Here we are showing the best and very beautiful unique designs of crochet free pattern. You can use it for your baby caps, for your home uses, or for different purposes. They are in variety of usage, so you can get idea and could make different items from this crochet hand knitted free pattern. You could see they are very soft and very unique styles. They are very beautiful and very easy to handle, so you could easily place them on different items, or you could also easily make different items from them by your own style. You could make many these designs and could make a pattern, or you could also use it for making different home decorating ideas. They are very easy to make and are usable for a long time, as they are washable and stains could remove easily from them. So you could use crochet for decorating different items, so it will enhance them. They will look so pretty, and also you could use them for a longer time. They are easily washable, so dirt just flows away from them, and you could use it for many times. Basically, these are the patterns and designs you see in different crochet hand knitted items as dresses or purse or costumes or different items of crochet. As you know, there are a number of crochet hand knitted items, so these are basically their basic patterns. By following them, you can make different big things, or you can also use it on different clothes or different item as well. But mostly they are the basic pattern of your things you use of crochet hand knitted items. So when you learn them, when you know the idea, you could easily make different things. Many people are confused about this, that how they could make the crochet free pattern for the starting or for decorating their items. So here we have made a separate video to make it easy for you. So guys, I hope that you might like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and just share this video with your family and friends, and stay tuned till the next video.